This opportunity is for middle class. As you all know, if you buy a property in Dubai, you have the option to get a visa also. You may be knowing about golden visa. If you invest 2 million plus dirhams, then you will get a visa for 10 years. Same like that, there is a significant update in the visa rule now. Earlier, for a 2-year investor visa, one should purchase a property minimum worth 750,000 dirhams. But now it is changed. Now there is no minimum investment required to get a visa. If you are jointly owning a property, each individual should have a minimum share of 400,000 dirhams to get qualified for the visa. This will help middle class people to come to Dubai and make Dubai as their hub of living and business. These investor-friendly approaches from Dubai government boost the real estate sector also.